The CIA is using the law of attraction, and here's the proof. Did you know that I can manipulate my dreams? I can literally command my subconscious mind what to dream. Not only that, I can actually be dreaming and I'm aware of the dream. While I'm aware of the dream, it creates my manifestation 100 times faster. Did you also know that I can remote view live objects, especially numbers, in what I call coordinates or real time? Not only I can do that, I can use these numbers to influence pattern such as lottery and win. But did you know that you also have this capability? You also have this woven into your creative being. Here's something even more fascinating. Did you know that the Central Intelligence Agency of the United States of America government, known as the CIA, spent millions of dollars on this research with closed projects and classified information and classified studies they conducted in the 1950s and 60s and even today? The CIA now knows the nature of reality, and through the Information Act, many of the information has now been declassified. The information that can literally change your life, that can alter your reality, that can create the things you want in your life. The government has done studies on this, kept it in secret. Why would they do that? Why would someone or any objective reality or any objective person, entity, keep such important information from the general population? Why isn't this information being produced in textbooks, being showed all over the media? Why? Well, I'll leave the answer to you. But let's get into what the CIA discovered about the law of attraction and how you can use it and how you can become aware of the important factor. So in basic terms, the study was conducted, and it's a two-part study. The first study is where they use actual humans or actual beings, people just like you and I. These people or individuals have gifts like we all do, and their gifts and abilities were able to remote view certain places in lifetime, countries, for national security reasons, able to solve crime. They are able to see things in a timeline. They're able to influence reality. That's one branch of the study. The other branch of the study is what's known as the objective reality part of the study, which is the law of attraction. The CIA basically discovered and studied that consciousness create patterns, and the patterns create what's known as a holographic imagery produced through the brain. In layman's terms, it says that your thoughts and your consciousness, it creates a pulsating pattern of energy, these electrons, these atomic particles, and they interact in what's known as space-time or holographic coordinates. This holographic image is produced by your brain. With enough repetition, with enough focus, you collapse the holographic purpose or the holographic image of the universe. You collapse it and it becomes a perceived real physical object through your brain. That's right, a real object. So your brain sees this real thing, but in actual reality it's a holographic image. This is the CIA spent millions in research, and now the proof is out. So I want you to consider what this can do for your life. You literally have the scientific proof now that the mind creates these energetic pattern or waves. These waves interact with the woven structure of what we call space-time. Within this space-time, your brain creates a holographic three-dimensional image of what you see around your world. With enough time, repetition, focus, that thought pattern collapses that space-time woven dimension. And from that space-time woven dimension, it creates an image within your brain, and you perceive and you can influence your reality. How marvelous is that? How important is that? And for full detail, we'll attach the link to the CIA declassified information. You can read it for yourself. So the information, that may seem a little complex, but this is why I'm making it very easy for you to understand. Just remember, the CIA discovered that your thoughts, just moving through your brain, can collapse your reality, and your reality can influence real objects to work in your favor or against your favor. And they call this a pattern. So that's in simplistic terms, that your universe we live in is a holographic projection perceived through our brain. Our reality actually exists on a two-dimensional surface, and we project from a three-dimensional space through the neuroreceptors in our brain, the photoreceptors in our eyes. But nonetheless, it's not real. I want you to let me repeat that again. Everything you see, it's not physically real. It's an illusion or a holographic image that your brain hallucinates and you can create. So that information is there. The government uses it. Even today, there are individuals walking amongst you right now that have the ability to do these amazing things. And you have it. All you have to do is learn to tap into it. It's interwoven in you. You can actually bend your reality, just like I do. Took practice, of course, and I learned it, and I can do it. You can collapse numbers. You can see things in real time. You can lucid dream. You can affect your dream to manifest what you want, because again, your brain perceives everything as this illusion, holographic image. And with the holographic image, the subconscious mind collapses it as to prove to you that it exists in real time. In other words, once you focus with intent and focus, you will create the environment to create the environment that will attract and manifest whatever you want. CIA has done it. They've proven it. They're still using it. And you have this amazing ability. Think about that. Now you know how powerful you truly are and the capabilities you have. Thank you.